Hey everybody, it's Walt from Dirtfoot Racing here. I am a fan of Micks Mowers. I watch Mick and his son Riley Boy when he's on. But one of Riley Boy's favorite candies, I guess his only candy, his chocolate candy, is his Kinder Joy things. So today I'm walking through the line at Walmart and I see these Kinder Joy eggs, which I've seen them before, but I was like, what the heck is that? So I say, oh, that's right, that's Riley's favorite. So I picked one up. We're going to see what it's all about in an adult kind of way, I guess. It's interesting though, the candy part's made in Poland, the toy was made in Italy, and it was packaged in the USA. So there's no Chinesium in this one. This is all we'll say free world stuff. Not a little socialist at times, but free world stuff for the most part. So let's crack it open and see what a Kinder Joy is all about. Oh, I don't know. Let's try not to knock the camera off the... Wow, kids are supposed to... These are like childproof. There we go. Oh, okay, so there's two sides. Oh, I see how they do it. I was wondering how they do this. So what do we got here? We got... is this some type of scooping out device? I'm not sure what this is for. This is the mystery part, I think. So let's peel her open and see what we have in the mystery part. We got a barrel of monkeys. What do we got here? I don't know. Some kind of... Gonna have to do some investigating here. Some kind of alien spaceship, some kind of planet. I don't know what it is. Let's see if we can figure this out a little bit. Hope nobody's in a hurry, because... Oh. Alright, well, 1, 2, 3, 4. What is this thing? It says this is a Play-Doh. Oh, there's an app. There's a free app. Well, not right now, not that. Alright, so we'll assemble this and, see if I can figure it out. Oh, hang on just a second. Mick came back on. Hey, Mick, take a break. There we go. Alright, so let's get to the chocolate. Let's get to the chocolate candy wafer thing that's inside here. Let's see if I can get this thing open here. Bear with me here for a second. There we go. Peel her open. Oh dear, what is this? Some type of... wow, that's not bad. That's really not bad. Oh, that must be the scooper. That must be for the... I mean, like an animal with my finger. That'd be him. Scoop out the saucy stuff. Wow. You want to try? My wife's sitting next to me here. That's really not bad. Here, take a lick of that. Yeah, got the knotted. Yeah, not bad. So, you want to try a little ball thing?
Sure.
It's like a little, almost like a malted milk ball. Oh, I'm so generous. Gave her my... Anyways, so yes, yeah, so we got this ooey gooey, rich and chewy here stuff we're going to consume. Wow. I can see why Riley Boy likes this stuff. This is good stuff. Well, yeah, hopefully it's the same stuff he's getting over there, because it's pretty good here for the Walmart checkout line, which by the way was like normal, slow. I'm gonna go to the self-checkout, but Walmart is slow too. I usually don't go to Walmart when the rest of the world's there. I go there after about 9 o'clock in the morning when everybody's to work. So anyways, that was pretty good. I must say, the Kinder Joy got the toys. So thumbs up to that. Good choice there, Riley Boy, and keep up the good work there, guys, and we'll talk to you later. See ya. All right, here we go. Assembled the planet. Let's see how she spins. The simple pleasures. Pretty cool if you like tops.